We just sourced at 2 different places. We spent $260, and we're gonna turn that into about $2,500. And we are gonna show you what we got. So my name is Karen.
I'm Jay.
We're with the Thrifty Flamingo. We talk a lot about Poshmark and reselling. And if you're interested in this content, we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. If you're returning, welcome back. You're in for a treat.
I know a lot of you have been watching our videos lately, and so you know what we're doing. We're putting out a course on how to make a full-time living working part-time on Poshmark. It's going to take your Poshmark game to the next level. So if you're interested in that course, be sure to get on our mailing list. It's the first link in the description. Click on that link, sign up with your email, and we're going to be picking a winner for the course each week. Tomorrow's Thursday. We're picking our second winner for the course. Karen's picking this time. She's really excited.
I've been waiting all week to pick the winner because it's my turn.
So don't forget to click on that link, get on that email list, and happy poshing.
So we have a lot of items, and I don't want to keep you guys around too long. So we are going to call this a lightning round haul. We're just going to show you what we got and move it on next. I know you should go into detail about what things are, but we got 59 pieces from 2 different places, so there's a lot to go over.
When it's all said and done, we spent $4.41 a piece. That's a phenomenal price point for these products. We got a great deal today.
And most of them are female, like women's stuff. I'm very proud. He's been learning to source women's stuff. He was really excited all day long, and he's been doing a great job. I only got a few men's stuff, so let's do this.
Let's dive right in. Bam. About these boots, they are Dan Post Western style cowboy boots. The comps look great on them, so we picked them up, and they're a really good buy.
I got 3 of these. They are torrid tank tops. I got a 0, 3, and 4, so I get to do multiples on those. Next.
All right. So this is the new brand for me. It's just Parish Nation, and it is again, the comps looked really good, so we picked it up.
J. Crew, can never go wrong with J. Crew. I don't pick up many tops, and that's one of my issues, so I was really focusing on tops. It's a cotton linen blend, perfect for this time of year.
You got a nice pair of Trilogy linen shorts. These are gonna go for about 20 bucks.
Yeah, torrid. I think this is actually new without tags. I'm not gonna keep it though. I'm gonna be a good girl. It's a very cute shirt.
These are BDG, Urban Outfitters brand. They're a nice pair of women's shorts, perfect for the summer.
When pigs fly. I don't always pick up LuLaRoe at all, but come on, there's flying pigs on it.
Another pair of nice men's shorts, Cutter and Buck, good solid brand. Probably another $20 shorts.
ASOS. Okay, what do I say about ugly, babe?
Ugly always sells.
Yeah, these are, that's all I gotta say about that.
We got Superga platforms in a nice little style. They're nice and white, ready for the spring, summer.
One day I'm gonna own me some Superga, babe. Ooh, free people? Free people!
Calvin Klein jeans. Good design, good solid jeans. Can't go wrong with Calvin Klein's.
Yeah, classic, right? Free people! I'm gonna be singing operetta.
Gotta love free people.
Got a lot of free people.
American Eagle shorts. Good solid brand again. Nice embroidery on them. They're a good style. This should go well.
J. Crew again? J.
Calvin Klein jeans. It's a nice button-up, a nice short sleeve casual button-up. Very handsome shirt.
That thing needs a good steaming. Anthropologie, Pilcrow and the Letterpress. Purple skinny crop things. Jeans. I knew what I was saying. I swear.
We got Levi's, but these are very unique Levi's. They have a nice zipper back pocket and a regular back pocket, so you got
511s.
511s,
yep.
Black tag, very handsome jeans.
This isn't going to show up too well. It is a Free People dress, but it has to be on the person to be, obviously. It looks better upside down to tell what it is, actually. There you go.
This one's a little out of season, but these shirts sell very well. It's a Duluth trading company, and it's just a plain button-up, but they sell well.
Stuart Weitzman. Yeah, peep toe, little tiny kitten heels, canvas, cuties. These, I sell their boots. I haven't sold their kitten heels. If you sold anything like these, tell me how much in the comments below.
BOC clogs. Good solid shoes.
Oh my goodness, wait, I have to undo this one. So when I first saw them, I thought, like, oh my goodness, it's like wrapped up on itself. I did that to myself. It kind of reminded me of like a Halloween decoration. Halloween. They are Jeffrey Campbell Gladiator. These things wrap all around and tie up. Yeah, like the fuzzy little spiders.
BDG shorts again. They're good solid shorts. These distressed shorts with a little raw hem. Not bad.
Wedding season is upon us. This is a J. Crew, very structured. It's lined, just a very pretty pink dress.
More Supergas. Superga
What did I tell you they were?
They're
That's
mules. Right. Slip on, nice little white shoes, perfect for the summer.
He just learned that term. He's like, the backless ones. I was like, a mule. And he's like, mule? Uh-huh, a mule. Really cool jacket. It's not called Really Cool Jacket. This is Silence and Noise. It's an Urban Outfitters, but it's got awesome like Chinese print, I guess. Dragon print. It's very light, spring-like.
Good spring jacket.
Good spring jacket.
We got sevens. Good solid pair of jeans. Seven skinny jeans, yeah.
Not 7 for All Mankind. 7, the Stella McCartney brand. There's a difference.
Size 32s. They're a good size.
Wedding season. This is an Anthropologie Maeve dress. This is really gorgeous dress. I'm sure the camera is not picking up on how awesome this dress is. Taking my word for it. It's beautiful. I'm singing a lot today. You notice that?
We got more Levi's signatures. Karen, you think these are women's jeans, but they were in the men's section, right?
That doesn't mean that they're...
That doesn't mean it. No, I thought they were men's. She's looking at them now. She thinks they're women's jeans, so we'll see what happens. They are skinnies.
Well, men's can have skinnies.
Men's can have skinnies too, yeah.
I have to do a little bit more. They might be men's.
But good solid jeans.
Yeah. I almost put this back. It's Abercrombie and Fitch. It was $1, like before, you know, breaking down the price per piece. But I was looking for t-shirt, like shirts, so Abercrombie and Fitch, cute little like polka dot. I usually don't pick up Abercrombie and Fitch.
Big Star shorts. Good solid pair of shorts.
Big Star.
Very trendy.
Those were also in the men's section. Those
are
not men's. No, they're not. Free people! Free people!
We got more Levi's. More Levi's. 721 high-rise skinny. Good solid pair of jeans.
Those are definitely women's.
Those are definitely women's.
High-rise and skinny. Ching ching. Shelley's of London. Ugly, 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 but they're really pretty ugly. They're like platform, shiny. What are they, Oxfords?
Sure, they're Oxfords.
Yeah, they have an Oxford style to the top of them. They're new, so okay. Yeah, awesome.
We're really proud about these ones right here. These are Jeffrey Campbell's. They're great, solid, nice leather shoes. They're in great shape. I don't think they've ever been worn.
I don't think so, because it has like the little hang
tag.
It's got
the little tags on the bottom and everything, yeah.
Free people!
Got a ton of free people today.
Free people!
What are these? I believe these are free people. Free people shoes.
I'm trying to
just
find
get
more
dresses.
free people.
We got free people shoes, and again, these are
Wait
in
for it.
great condition. I don't think these have ever been worn either.
Up.
Free people.
Yeah. Summertime free people. Okay, free people vegan. I really want to keep them. They're very comfortable. They're my size. I'm really going to keep them.
We'll see what they can sell for.
No, I'm going to keep them. It's not every day you find a really comfortable summer shoe. Usually they're like flat and they hurt your feet as you walk, like flip-flops. comfortable summer shoe. They're mine.
Fine, well, if you're keeping those shoes, then I'm keeping these shoes to wear. I'm just kidding. These are Jeffrey Campbell wedge heels. They're in good shape. Again, I don't think they've ever been worn, so.
Gladiator sandals by Free People. They zip up the back, easy access, really cool looking.
Who doesn't love a nice pair of Gladiator sandals?
You don't.
I don't. I hate those shoes.
He hates those shoes.
We got Vans. Vans off the wall. These hats are going to sell probably for 15 bucks a piece. We got them for, well, $4.41 is the price per piece, but really we paid $1.99 for these. We got 3 of these.
Yeah.
So quick
it says
45
I need
bucks.
more hats in my closet. I said, okay, get more hats in your closet. Nightwalker and a Free People collaboration. These are really pretty Dorsey flats. Dorsey flats. Shiny too.
Shiny, shiny, shiny.
Shiny.
We got another pair of BDG distressed raw hem shorts. They're in great shape. I don't think these still have the tag on them, so it looks like they've never been worn either.
I have 2 of these. So I could do like multiples. One listing, multiples. This is Anthropology. It's a halter, like romper play suit with gaucho pants attached to it. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be fun. I can't wait to see what they actually named this thing. 2 of them.
More BDG raw hem shorts. Again, these are going to sell for between $25 and $30. It's a good buy.
I'm gonna aim for 30. Anthropology heels.
Anthropology.
Lots
Good buys.
of shoes.
Good buys. We got a few more hats. We got an Alaska trucker hat. It's very unique, very interesting, nice colors. And we also got a California trucker hat. We got 2 of these. One of them has a nice little watermelon pin on it. That's a free bonus for whoever picks up this hat. These hats, again, 15 bucks. Nothing crazy, but they're
Oh, that's
they have
upside
hats.
down. Oh man, that's upside down. 1 teaspoon. Romper.
Springtime romper, long sleeves, good style.
But like very thin. Nice romper, 1 teaspoon. How is that an extra small? That's an extra small.
We got an LL Bean messenger bag. LL Bean's been selling really well for us, so we picked it up at a great price. We're probably going to shoot the moon on this.
A man carry-all. That's the messenger
Could be for
bag.
a woman, too.
I guess so. Kardashian collection. It's new with tags. I probably can't get too much for this.
Very trendy pattern right now, so.
And Kardashians are highly searchable keywords, apparently. We did good doing that mega haul really quickly.
Yeah, so now you saw what we got. I mean, on average, we figure between 30 and 50 per shoe, depending on what shoe they are. The Free People dresses, they're probably going to sell for around $50 a piece. All in all, the jeans, the Parish Nasons that I showed you, I did comps on those. Those are $48. Those cowboy boots, those comps were out unbelievable on those. We were looking at 180 plus on those boots for $4. How can you not go wrong?
His cart had that one squeaky wheel that you heard every time. So I'm going in the zone. I'm going through the racks and I hear, but it picked up pace. And he came up with the boots. And I was like, here he comes. He's excited. Your cart gave you away.
But again, those boots, great comps. So we picked them up at a phenomenal price when we did our price per piece. So that's pretty much what we got today. That's everything.
Yeah, I hope you guys really liked just the really quick do. I hope, granted there's a lot of Free People.
A lot of Free People.
Over and over. But yeah, hopefully you guys have seen some stuff and heard some new brands and learned some stuff.
We're going to make about $2,500 on this stuff. So for 260 bucks, that's a great investment. We really turned a great profit today. We're really super excited about this haul. We're going to get it listed as soon as possible and get everything out there.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this really lightning round haul video. If you have, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought about the lightning round.
And don't forget to get on that email list. First link in the description. We're going to link it in the comments below. We're going to be picking a winner tomorrow and every week until our course launches. And we're looking at launching towards the middle to end of April. So stay tuned for more information on that.
Bye, guys.
Have a great one.